Let me walk you through getting set up with the PropertyMe to simPRO integration by SyncEasy. Now your first step is to go to integrations.synceasy.com, and on there you'll be able to register your details, log in, and then you'll get taken to this screen. Now from here I can scroll down and click on PropertyMe in this left hand panel, and then you can see we've got PropertyMe to simPRO. I click on subscribe. That's going to ask me to add in some billing details, and then that's going to take me across to this screen. Now from here, what I'm going to be doing is connecting up my PropertyMe account and then connecting up my simPRO account. So first thing I'm going to do is click on connect. Then I'm going to sign in. I'm going to choose the portfolio I'd like to allow this integration to access. Click on yes, allow. Now I can send across all the properties from PropertyMe into simPRO, or I can just have selected properties sent across. So if I wanted to send across fire services, if that was tagged as fire services within PropertyMe, then just those properties would be sent across into simPRO. I click on submit, then I can connect up my simPRO account, and this is where I get my simPRO build URL. So when you've logged into simPRO, you can see that, and it's usually your company name.simprosuite.com. Now I'm going to add in 0 here because I am just using a single site simPRO environment, but if you are using a multi-company, you can add in the number for that company in this area. I click on submit and I click on yes. Now if you do want to verify a customer that's already in simPRO just to test that connection, you can click on verify, but I'm going to show you how you can go over to my apps. I'm going to look up PropertyMe. We're going to have a look at some of the details of what we've got set up. So we've got some details about our URL here, our username. We can also see data from within this integration. We can set up our field pairing. So we do have some default field pairings coming across, but if you wanted to add in a different one, like this, I can click on submit, and that'll adjust that pairing. So the PropertyMe fields that you want to link up to the simPRO fields, then we can click on submit after you've made those changes to adjust those pairings. We've got contact pairing in a similar way. We've got first name, last name coming across to given name, family name. So you can adjust those as well, or you can add more in. And there's just details of the configuration as well. So if you notice that maybe you put the wrong label in here, I can delete that out, add a new one, click on submit. You can also do other things, like you can do a manual sync, you can check the status, and you can have a look at your plan details as well. So if you're getting set up with the PropertyMe to simPRO integration through our portal and you need help, what you can do is click on the Chat Now button down the bottom right hand side here, and depending on the business hours, we do have a very wide window of support that we offer, but you'll be able to chat to a member of our staff who can lead you through the integration setup.